The art of woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The DEWALT DCK-300P1 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit is a versatile and powerful set designed to meet the demands of woodworking tasks. This combo kit includes the DCS-356 3-speed oscillating multi-tool, DCW-210 5-inch random orbit sander, DCS-334 jig saw, a 20V max 4.0 amp-hour battery, and a charger. Let's delve into the key features and user experiences. The DCS-356 3-speed oscillating multi-tool offers added control with its 3-speed settings, allowing users to adjust the tool's performance to the specific requirements of the task at hand. The quick change accessory system makes blade and attachment changes a breeze, eliminating the need for wrenches and ensuring efficiency during projects. The DCW-210 5-inch random orbit sander boasts a low-profile height that enables users to get close to work surfaces for precise sanding. The variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, provides flexibility to match the sanding speed with the application. This feature contributes to enhanced control and better results in woodworking projects. Furthermore, the DCS-334 jig saw features an all-metal, keyless shoe bevel with detents at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and a positive stop at 45 degrees. This facilitates easy adjustments for various cutting angles, offering versatility in woodworking applications. The brushless 3-tool woodworking kit has received positive feedback from users. Many appreciate the value for money, praising the set's affordability. The inclusion of a 20V max 4.0 amp-hour battery, known for its excellent life, adds to the kit's overall value. Users have expressed satisfaction with the performance of the tools, highlighting their power and durability. One user specifically commends the cordless oscillating tool's convenience, especially for overhead use without the hassle of a cord. The tools in this kit are considered a great addition to one's collection, with the interchangeable 5 amp-hour battery being compatible with other DEWALT tools that typically come with 3 amp-hour batteries. However, some users note a couple of areas for improvement. The absence of an Allen wrench in the kit was mentioned, which, if included, would eliminate the need to search for a suitable one. Additionally, there were expectations for a universal design in the jigsaw guide or at least one sandpaper sample, which could enhance the overall user experience. In conclusion, the DEWALT DCK-300P1 20V Max Power Tool Combo Kit stands out as a valuable set, offering reliable performance, excellent battery life, and versatility for woodworking projects. Despite a few minor concerns, the positive feedback underscores its worth as a dependable addition to any tool collection.